The more we talk with workplaces, the more we hear the same thing. People are stretched thin, constantly under pressure and running on high alert.
Overload, distraction, decision fatigue, constant high adrenaline. It's the norm in many organisations, and that's why Brainfit at Work exists. We help people look after their most important tool that they have, their brain.
We take the science of how the brain works and make it practical, so people can use it right away to improve focus, memory, mental energy and reduce stress.
And it's amazing how quickly things change when people start to even use a few simple strategies. These small shifts like managing stress and high pressure situations can have a huge impact on performance and well-being.
We often hear from teams after a session things like, I finally understand how to stay in control, even under pressure, or I can keep calm and focus on quality work.
But don't just take our word for it. Here's some feedback from some organisations we've been lucky enough to work with. Yes, that's what we aim for, real change in everyday habits that support cognitive wellbeing, reduce stress and improve performance and productivity. And it's not just good for people, it's good for business. Research shows organisational wellbeing initiatives can return $5 for every $1 invested.
We offer a range of Brainfit at Work workshops, but the best place to start is with one of our 1 to 2 hour introduction sessions. They are practical, engaging, and a great introduction to simple science-based tools that make an immediate difference.
And for teams who want to go further, we have follow-up workshops that dive deeper into key areas like focus, habit formation, and managing overload, so the learning really sticks and grows.
I love seeing the moment people realize this isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, staying calm under pressure, and keeping quality high.
Exactly. We're not here to add pressure, we're here to make things easier, to help people feel sharper, calmer and more in control, both professionally and personally.
So really, that's what Brainfit at Work is all about, helping people look after their brains so they can be the best they can be at work and enjoy life too.
Now that's something every organisation can benefit from.